everybody. Are you or do you know someone who's a crafter? Do they always tell you, or do you say to yourself, I'm going to hold on to that because I might need it in the future? Does your family member tell you, why do you keep holding on to this stuff? You don't need all this stuff. Oops. Yes, you do. Guess what I accidentally thought of? No, I didn't accidentally thought of it. I'm just brilliant. I thought of it all on my own. So this video is to help you. I'm in the process of moving my craft room. My husband and I are switching his music room for my craft room. Because if you're a crafter, you know, you need a lot of room. I've kind of outgrown this room that I have, which is the second largest bedroom in the house. The second largest bedroom. It's not the master bedroom, but yes, I do have stuff in there too. Oh my God. Okay, so crafting can be expensive and it takes up a lot of room. So my husband has the garage, which was made into, as my mom used to call it, a Florida room. I just call it a closed-in garage. I don't know. And he uses it for his music room. He's an album collector. Yes, I do mean the actual original albums, not CDs that the kids today call albums. I'm talking about the real hardcore vinyl. You should see his collection. So at first, him having the big room seemed logical. But as my crafting endeavors get bigger, I want to try new stuff. I have found that I need the bigger room. Okay, so we're switching rooms and I'm trying to pack stuff up. My eyes are watering because every time I get nervous talking in front of people, because if you see any of my other videos, you'll notice that I'm normally behind the camera because I really don't like being seen because I'm like really super duper shy, like super califragilistically shy. But I decided to be in front of the camera this time. Hi. I'm packing up and I have silicone molds to make jewelry and stuff out of epoxy. And if you're a crafter, you know what the heck I'm talking about. And I don't want them to get damaged. And I have a lot of stuff to fit into as few boxes as I possibly can, so there's less to move. And I accidentally thought of something to help protect my smaller molds. I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you right now. You know, don't ever just throw stuff away willy-nilly. However the saying is, oh, I don't know. You might need it someday. So here you go. I'm going to show you. All right. My phone box that I got my cell phone in. I don't know if I can see it in the camera. My phone box is... Oh, sorry about that. My camera just moved. My phone box is the perfect size to fit my small pieces and parts that you need for molds, silicone molds, and my small silicone molds, and that way they can lay flat and not get damaged. I hope I'm in the video. I hope I can see it because I can't see what my camera's seeing. And it still closes. I have 3, a small, medium, two medium ones, and another one that I haven't even opened yet, which my husband get mad about, and pieces and parts all stuffed into this one little box, and it still closes. So it's going to protect them so they don't get... No, I'm not a singer. Excuse me. When my eyes water, my nose waters too. Oh my God. This is why I'm not singing in front of the camera, y'all. You better appreciate this video. I don't know when you're going to see my face again. Although my husband says I really should be in front of the camera more often. I don't know. Does he just love me? Or is he just being nice? Actually, he's a professional YouTube watcher. He watches a lot of YouTube. So he knows what videos are good, what catches his attention and stuff. And he said, you gotta see the faces. So, hi y'all, here's my face. I don't like it. But, hey, I am almost 60 years old. I'm like, oh my God, I'm going to turn 57 in December. Oh my God. But I think I still look pretty good. I don't have too many wrinkles. And I don't wear makeup. Anyway, I hope this little hack helps you. Keep your phone charger, your phone boxes, because you might need them for small things. And if you are a relative of a crafter, don't yell at them for not throwing things away. But if you are a crafter, you can keep them. Just try to get more organized with it. You know, find better ways of storing it. Because if your room looks like mine, it's just like thrown everywhere. Which is going to change when I move rooms. Okay, so if I ever get my other room finished, because both of us are handicapped and trying to move all this furniture is going to be quite a chore, to say the least. But if we do get it, I'll give you a room tour. Okay? Okay. So, see ya on the flip side. Bye.